Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chevy Impala oil light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the info button on your dashboard or steering wheel controls. You'll need to press this button repeatedly until the oil life message appears on your display screen. This is the starting point for the reset process. Once you see the oil life message, your next step is to press and hold the enter button. Keep holding it down for a few seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage display will start to flash, indicating it's ready for a reset. As soon as it begins flashing, you can release the enter button. This action prepares the system for the final reset confirmation.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, keeping your car running smoothly is great, but what about keeping your home clean effortlessly? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, to confirm the reset, you'll need to press and hold the enter button one more time. Continue holding it down until the oil life percentage on your display changes to 100%. This confirms that the system has successfully registered the oil life reset. Once it shows 100%, you can release the button. You're almost done with the process. After the oil life is reset to 100%, turn your ignition completely to the off position. Give it a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, before you restart your engine. Once you restart the engine, double-check your dashboard to ensure the oil change light is no longer illuminated. If it's off, you've successfully reset your Chevy Impala's oil life monitor. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.